If you're a man over 35 and you're still training when most guys your age have checked out, this channel is for you. I'm Keith Hanenian. I'm in my 60s, still in the gym, still running businesses, and still locked in on discipline and longevity. I started Built Different because I looked around and saw almost nothing for men like us. Men with real mileage, real responsibility, old injuries, and busy lives who still want to train hard without destroying themselves. Built Different means two things. First, our bodies aren't 20 anymore. We have injuries, stress, and years of wear and tear, so we can't train like nothing has happened. We train smarter with intent to stay in the game. Second, we're wired different. Most men our age quit on themselves. We don't. We show up, we lift, and we lean into fitness and discipline because we crave more from ourselves, not less. We're chasing the best version of who we can be, and when we do that, everyone around us gets a stronger, sharper man. There are men subscribing here from all over the world, ages 25 to 85, fathers, business owners, veterans, retirees. Labels don't matter. What matters is they're a rare breed who still care about muscle, discipline, and living longer with strength. This is our brotherhood. On this channel, you'll see joint-friendly training that still builds real muscle, volume, and intensity, and clear practical guidance, whether you're a beginner or you've been training for decades. We leave the ego out of our training because we've seen it destroy so many men, and it will continue to do the same if we're not smart. That's why we focus on mind-muscle connection and thoughtfulness in every single rep. Heavy is always relative here. We choose weights that challenge the muscle, not our ego. We also talk straight about recovery, hormones, and TRT. We don't support non-prescription steroid use, but we don't demonize medical hormone optimization either, and we don't judge anyone for asking questions. The goal is to educate and motivate so you can make the right decisions with your own doctor about your own health and life. Here the goal is simple. Stay strong, stay sharp, and stay in the game with the body that you can carry the life you're leading. If you know you're built different because of everything you've been through, and because you still choose fitness, health, and discipline in a world that's given up, then you belong here. Hit subscribe, stay close, and wear the Built Different name with pride. We're a rare breed.